Thank you. I'm Carly Hansen. I'm the Hansen who has contributed nothing to Earth Engine so far, but hope to change that. I am at the University of Utah. I'm part of the Urban Water Group, working with Dr. Stephen Burian, and our group focuses on different factors, different moving pieces in the urban built water system. So things like development, increased demand and water use, urban agriculture, different management practices, and climate change. How do those affect the built system? And my part in the group is looking at the interface between the built system and the natural system, so both quantity and quality. In Utah, this is not atypical. A lot of rapidly developing communities experience these same things, but in Utah, it's a really good case study and area of focus for us. We've got some natural systems that feed directly into the urban system, the mountain reservoirs, and then we've got a big receiving body, the Great Salt Lake, and some areas of particular interest, the Farmington Bay waterfowl management area. They're very concerned about what the urban system's doing to that area. We've got some rapid growth and development in Utah and specifically in the Salt Lake area. And then we've got some major uncertainty associated with climate variability and change. This last year was pretty rough on us with the snowpack and all the skiers. So we're hoping to approach these challenges and all of these moving pieces through an integrated water resource management approach. So I'm working on making a decision framework tool that incorporates models that water resource management is used to, so dynamic systems models and water quality models, but then incorporating those with a remote sensing model, something that usually scares off most water resource managers. So we've been looking at using Google Earth Engine as a way to simplify and streamline the remote sensing process so that more water resource managers will use that. There's very sparse field sampling in the Great Salt Lake area, and so we're hoping to use this to address those issues and provide some initial conditions, something that can feed into these other models and work with the other models so that we can get a better picture of what the relationships are between the urban system and the natural system. So I'm very new to Earth Engine, but this conference has provided a lot of potential, and I've seen how this can fit into to our framework, and I think it'll apply to a lot of other developing communities as well. But thanks.
Just very short question. I see that you use SQL. Do you use it in combination with some water distribution or hydrological models? So.
Yeah, so right now we've got a really complex systems model of the urban system and a watershed model that's feeding into it. And so, yeah, hopefully the previous slide that showed the how it all fits together, we've got those two feeding into the SQL model.